We guide you through how to connect Payoneer account to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click Settings, then select Payments. Under Payment Providers, choose the option to set Shopify payments or add a payment method depending on your region. Next, navigate to Payout or Banking section where you can add your bank account details. Open Payoneer account in separate tab and copy the receiving account's details provided by the Payoneer, including the account number, routing number, and other required banking information. Return to Shopify and carefully enter these details into the payout settings. Double check all the information to avoid payment delays, then save your changes. Shopify may require verification, so follow any additional prompts if they appear. Once the setup is complete, Shopify will send you store payouts directly to your Payoneer receiving amount or account. To confirm everything is working correctly, review your payout settings and monitor your next Shopify payments.